Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can transform yourself into a cartoon character on CapCut PC using AI. So, I'm just going to select this photo, go to AI Stylize and select AI Effects, and you're going to select the stylized XL one and you can randomize it. I'm just going to select concept art. Oh, actually it's like comics or comics too. I don't know why I selected that one. Here you can adjust it again. I'll just use this one because it's already selected. Then I'm going to select generate. And I'm just going to wait for it to generate. And here you'll have like some free trials on it. But if you like have generated more than like a few, then you'll have to pay for the pro feature, like the pro version, I guess. So keep that in mind. And as you can see, it turns into this really cute comic cartoon effect. It's super cute. I actually really like this one. Select apply and that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.